bolete boloche. Oh yeah.
I hope you feel good. I hope you feel strong. I hope you're excited. I don't know if you watched my last video. We were talking about cleaning your house. If there's one thing who calm me down, who ease me down, is cleaning people's house. And when I clean people's house, do I feel like I make it? It's like I'm doing a surgery. The doctor do the surgery, and I'm doing my by the way God, with the talent God gave me. That's the reason I clean house, and I love it. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the same way you clean your house. You need to be in the clean environment. It's the same way to clean the body. 6 years ago, I think it's more than 6 years. As I told you before, as a little girl coming from Haiti, always sick, always feeling tired, always, wake up in the morning, it's hard for me to get out of bed. And every time I eat, my stomach starts swelling up, feeling lousy. And then I was wondering what's going on. I don't know. My mom, at the time I was in Haiti, my mom didn't have money to take me to the doctor every time that I feel sick. But, she was making tea and stuff like that, and keep me going. And then after that, my mom decided to go to New York. And then we went to New York. Same thing. Always don't feel good. Always asking myself, go to the doctor sometime, give you a little thing, but this is not the right thing. I still don't feel good. And then I keep doing research, my own research. I keep on doing my own research. And then 2011, that was the thing, I was about to die. I was so sick, I remember one day, I was in the bedroom trying to go to the bathroom. My eyes, I turned almost blind. And then I have to crawl down to go to the bathroom. My appetite stopped completely. And then I was in Valium for 25 years. I was almost 300 pounds, I cannot tell people I was ill. I was dying. And then, but one thing was bothering me the most was my children. And having 3 kids, to see you dying, leaving them behind, that was tough for me. And I refused to die. I really refused to die. And I said, God, you're not going to put me on earth for me to die so young. And I start doing research and pray, doing research. And one day I find out the reason I was that sick is because all the stuff that I was eating that was wrong for my body. It felt like I was some kind of immune system problem, and then my body was something. I was sick, dying, It's not something I cannot even explain people the way I was sick. I'm, become depressive. I was in Valium for 25 years. And, at certain time, the Valium, if I don't have it, I have to make people come get it from Haiti, make some people get it from state. Everywhere I can get Valium, I have to put my hand on it, because that's the only thing will calm me down. Because I was scared of, the way I felt, I see death. And then I find out that what was killing me, it was the stuff that I put in my body. What you put in your body, that's what killing you. But what to heal you is not a lot. What to heal you is just a little. I can tell you, for right now, I don't care what kind of disease you suffer. I don't care what kind of disease somebody suffer. I can count in my hand what can save your life today. You can have more time with your children. You can have more time with your family. You don't have to die early. You don't have to die early. Because if I'm here today, there's power on what you put in your body. I hope you can sit down and listen to me. Maybe my accent can be strong, but sit down and relax and listen to what I'm trying to say. Change what you put to your body. The first thing you do, you drain the body. Because something, God created you with a clean body, very clean alkali body. What we do, we put everything, we dirty the blood. The minute the blood become dirty, what's happened now? The body become acidic. Because the body become acidic, oxygen cannot flow. When I say that to you, don't think, this one is good for cancer, it's not good for all kind of disease. You name it, it's the cure for everything. You want to be cured today? Stop eating. Food is killing you. If you don't want to stop eating, some people, me, I always tell people, if you're really sick today, the best thing to do is stop eating. But some people like to caress the disease. You can still be eating, but you put some change in your diet. And when I tell you that, don't think, if it's cancer, it's big time disease that there's no cure for. Listen to me. If you're sick today, you need about 6 to 7 things in the supermarket to cure you. If you're tired of being sick, follow me. And I have detail for you. I have more things for you. Little thing, not medication. I'm going to sell you nothing. Just from the grocery store, you go there, you detox the body, you put the right thing on it to get your health back. You alkalize the body will thank you.